The moon, often perceived as a static and unchanging celestial body, actually presents a landscape of mysterious and sometimes transient phenomena. While its appearance may seem consistent over human timescales, credible observations have documented thousands of anomalies, challenging our understanding of this alien world. One striking aspect of the moon's unfamiliarity is its contrast with Earth's atmosphere. Unlike our planet, the moon lacks atmospheric scattering, resulting in stark shadows and darkness in shaded areas. However, they also noticed peculiar luminous halos around their shadows, attributed to the opposition effect, a phenomenon of retroreflection that creates a brightening effect around objects. This optical illusion, while disconcerting, is typically overshadowed by Earth's atmospheric glare. Nevertheless, observers on Earth have reported transient lunar phenomena, such as clouds, discolorations, and fluctuations in brightness. These short-term changes remain enigmatic, defying easy explanation. Termed transient lunar phenomena, these occurrences continue to puzzle researchers, prompting investigations into their underlying causes. The moon's alien nature invites curiosity and challenges our assumptions about celestial bodies. Its subtle transformations serve as reminders of the complexity and mystery that permeate the cosmos, encouraging further exploration and study to unravel its secrets. The moon's enigmatic behavior, with reports of transient anomalies dating back centuries, continues to intrigue observers to this day. As early as the 6th century, accounts of peculiar events involving the moon have been documented, suggesting that short-term alterations in its appearance have been observed throughout history. One notable historical incident occurred in 1178 when monks in Canterbury, England, reported witnessing what may have been a small asteroid impacting the moon. Describing it as a flaming torch with the appearance of hot coals and sparks, they observed the moon throbbing like a wounded snake before returning to its normal state. While this event could potentially explain the formation of the Giordano Bruno crater on the moon, alternative explanations such as a meteor entering Earth's atmosphere have also been proposed. In more recent times, credible scientists and astronomers have reported observing transient lunar phenomena. Sir William Herschel, the renowned astronomer who discovered Uranus, described seeing 3 glowing spots on the moon in 1787. Speculating that they were volcanic eruptions, Herschel's observations remain a mystery as the moon is not currently volcanically active. Other sightings, such as Nikolai Kozyrev's observation of an eruption in Alphonsus crater, further highlight the perplexing nature of these phenomena. Interestingly, a significant number of reported lunar transient events cluster around the Aristarchus Plateau, adding to the mystery. Observations by respected astronomers, including James Greenacre and Edward Barr at the Lowell Observatory in 1963, documented bright reddish lights near the rim of the Aristarchus crater. These sightings were accompanied by changes in luminescence observed by other astronomers days later. Even the Apollo 11 mission to the moon in 1969 was not immune to reports of transient lunar events. Observations from Earth during this historic mission noted unusual activity in the Aristarchus region, adding another layer of intrigue to the phenomenon. Despite centuries of observations and advances in scientific understanding, the true nature and cause of transient lunar phenomena remain elusive. These enigmatic events continue to challenge our understanding of the moon and its behavior, highlighting the need for further research and investigation into this fascinating aspect of lunar science. Indeed, the observations of transient lunar phenomena, including the fluorescence reported by Michael Collins during the Apollo 11 mission, have puzzled astronomers for years. Winifred Cameron's paper outlines 5 main types of these phenomena, ranging from gaseous obscuration to variations in color, reddish colorations, darkenings, and brightenings, all of which are temporary in nature. One potential explanation for these phenomena is the outgassing of gases from deep within the moon's interior. Evidence from the Apollo 15 mission, which detected a rise in alpha particles believed to be due to the decay of radon gas over the Aristarchus Plateau, supports this idea. Subsequent confirmation by the Lunar Prospector mission of Radon 222 emanating from this crater adds weight to the hypothesis. However, the mechanism by which this gas escapes remains uncertain, as slow seepage may not cause visible phenomena, while explosive releases could. Electrostatic charging or discharging is another possible explanation. Solar wind near the moon or gases seeping from cracks could become electrically charged, leading to visible discharges that manifest as transient lunar phenomena. Additionally, charged lunar dust may levitate and appear as clouds, resembling some reports of the phenomena. Levitating dust is a known phenomenon on the Moon due to electrostatic effects, despite its seeming alien nature compared to atmospheric dust storms on Earth. The terminator, the boundary between illuminated and dark areas on the Moon's surface, holds further mysteries. During the Apollo missions, astronauts discovered unusual features in this region. These discoveries hint at the complex interplay of factors contributing to transient lunar phenomena and underscore the need for continued research and exploration to unravel the Moon's enigmatic behavior. The discovery of a sunrise dust storm on the Moon adds another layer to our understanding of lunar phenomena. The 1972 Apollo experiment, known as LIAM, Lunar Ejecta and Meteorites, detected an unexpected rise in particle matter around the lunar terminator during the lunar morning. This phenomenon was attributed to electrostatic forces on the Moon, where the positively charged day side and negatively charged night side cause levitating lunar dust to get pushed along the terminator, creating a weak but permanent dust storm. Interestingly, the LIAM instrument itself experienced unusual heating a few hours after sunrise, likely due to dark electrostatically charged dust sticking to it and absorbing heat. Astronauts also observed bands of sunlight behaving strangely near the terminator during their missions, further confirming the presence of this effect. This lunar dust atmosphere may contribute to some of the transient lunar phenomena observed from Earth, although atmospheric disturbances and other factors could also play a role. Efforts are underway to study these phenomena more closely. Scientists in Germany are developing a telescope to observe and automatically identify transient lunar phenomena, which could help uncover their origins. With these advancements, we may soon gain insights into the causes behind these mysterious lunar events, shedding light on yet another aspect of our natural satellite. As humanity explores and potentially colonizes the Moon, new mysteries and challenges will undoubtedly arise. The lunar dust, known to stick to everything and even produce a distinct smell, poses unique challenges for future lunar missions and habitats. Despite these challenges, the allure of exploring the mysteries of the Moon continues to drive scientific exploration and innovation. Indeed, observations of lunar transient phenomena from Earth's surface come with their own set of challenges, primarily due to atmospheric distortions. Earth's atmosphere can cause astronomical objects to appear distorted or create visual anomalies, which could potentially account for some of the reported lunar transient phenomena. Additionally, phenomena such as meteors or satellites passing between Earth and the Moon could be mistaken for transient lunar events. As we continue to explore and potentially colonize the Moon, it's likely that new mysteries will arise. The challenges posed by lunar dust, as experienced by Apollo astronauts, highlight just one aspect of the complexities involved in lunar exploration. Nevertheless, ongoing scientific research and advancements in technology offer promising opportunities to unravel the mysteries of our natural satellite and deepen our understanding of the lunar environment. What do you think about this? Leave it here in the comments and take the opportunity to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.